big initiative, a big project for us. Gonna get all the team members on board, all of our partners that are gonna help develop this project. We're looking forward to it.
It may not fit.
Somebody else can help? Okay, well, I have a shipment coming. The truck's here. I'm in the back here. Nobody's letting me in.
No, I just had the door open, put a light in there. We all ready to go.
Again, after it's better to try to get it from the back, eh? If you can, Hello. Hey Massimo, how are you? The Yappe finally arrived, and I really need to get together with you and get this ball rolling on this project.
Yeah, absolutely. If you want to make your way,
I actually have the plans out already, and
we have some stuff to show you.
I'll be there within the hour. See you then. Bye. Again, going back to the concept, fridges, oven, pull-out prepping station.
This is what I was talking about as far as the back hatch, because we want this platform here
To be flat.
to be flat.
If the size and dimensions of this fridge, which is gonna go here, allows for that, yeah, we'll do it. I know you got a lot of work ahead of you. Give me some timelines. What are we thinking here? Because I've got some dates. I've got clients already booking this thing, and we gotta get a particular date that I can confirm.
It is a process, so what we'll do is we'll start with all the framing. We'll make decisions as we go. I'll have you come in at the point where the framing is done, because I'm sure I'm gonna have some questions for you.
Just give me a call whenever the next stage is.
Yeah, probably within about a week or so, I
Okay.
should have the framing pretty much ready to take a look at.
Sounds good.
Okay?
Thanks again.
Thanks
I
very much.
appreciate it, okay?
It may not fit. I'm looking at it now. This is why I explained before, it's a process. We have to figure out what fits, what doesn't fit, and we're gonna tweak it and we'll adjust it to cater it to you as we go.